Hello, welcome back to Five Fashions channel. This is China, and this is a video of a cinnamon brown wig made out of color 27 bundles from Five Fashion, of course, with the closure. This is the process of making the wig. I also used a closure from Five Fashion, but it was a natural black, so we bleached it to color 27 to match the bundles, and here's the wig. This is Adore cinnamon brown. So I have a bowl of water here. It's like warm. I don't like to make my water like boiling hot just because I have to touch the hair and have to dip my hands in the water. I just like really hot water, like sink. I have a tint brush and a regular lemon brush. So all three of these are the same cinnamon honey brown. I'm just put two in now, and if at the end I'm not satisfied with the intensity of the color, then I'm gonna add the other one. I'm going for like just a regular natural brown, nothing too major. And the bundles on this wig is, I didn't color the bundle. They come in a color 27, so if you're thinking about doing just a light, like a dark color, anything dark like a blue or brown or, I don't know, you can just use the 27 bundles that's already light, and so you don't have to bleach your bundles. And then all I did was bleach the closure. this is the final look, and all of this hair is from Pop Fashion. So if you like this look, like, comment, and subscribe, and in the comments below will be a promotion code for you to get a discount on this hair.